Best deals.
1. Paneer Maker. Perfectly sized at 500 milliliters, this round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any mess. Evenly distributed perforations allow for fast separation of whey or curd water. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Moka Pot. Specially designed to work on induction cooktops as well as gas and electric stoves for versatile brewing. Durable, rust-resistant construction for long-lasting performance and a modern finish. Ergonomic heat-resistant handle provides a comfortable, safe grip for easy and spill-free pouring. Delivers rich, bold, and aromatic coffee without electricity. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Frying Pan. Engineered with advanced heat conduction technology, the skillet wok ensures even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, eliminating hot spots for perfectly cooked meals. Its high thermal efficiency retains heat longer, keeping food warm and enhancing energy efficiency during cooking. Its ergonomic design provides a secure, comfortable grip. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric Popcorn Maker. Delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl, allowing you to pop and serve in one step. Its nesting design allows for compact storage, making it easy to store in small kitchen space. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Water Jug. With a generous 1800 milliliters capacity, our water jugs are perfect for serving larger gatherings. Whether used as a juice jug or a water jug, it provides ample serving space for any occasion. This exquisitely crafted jug for water or juice enhances the aesthetic of your dining table. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cabinet. Crafted from 100% virgin material, ensuring the highest quality. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. Her stylish glass lid, durable and elegant powder-coated stainless steel body, cool touch handle and lid knob, 360 degrees swivel base. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Soup Maker. 304 stainless steel interior and easy clean exterior. Perfect 800 ml size for single servings. Touch control, presets, and auto shut-off make blending hot soup simple. Heat leftovers, make nut milk, or enjoy a hot cup of tea. It's truly multi-purpose. Quickly make healthy soups, vegan milks, and more with this one appliance. Powerful 600W heating and 250W motor for rapid heating and blending. Durable stainless steel blades that quickly blends and strains your nuts to create a smooth and creamy milk without any grit or pulp. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Fry Pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron, this fry pan is free from chemicals, coatings, and toxins for safe, healthy cooking. Cast iron cookware offers lasting durability and naturally enriches your food with iron, especially when cooking acidic or moist dishes. It's a safe, chemical-free way to support daily iron intake, perfect for healthier cooking. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Drawer Organizers. Maximize drawer and closet space with this compact organizer, designed to make the most of small spaces. Keep your undergarments in perfect condition. Soft yet durable material prevents snagging and ensures lasting use. Crafted from breathable fabric. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Water Bottle with Infuser. You can now make fruit, detox tea infusions and enjoy drinking water with a much better and refreshing taste. Also, you will feel safe drinking from this BPA-free detox glass bottle, as you no longer have to worry about leaching chemicals. Ensures this stylish glass bottle is lightweight, durable, and does not crack under high temperatures. Wide mouth opening makes it easy to add ice cubes, fruits, and protein powders, and very easy to clean this bottle. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Containers. This extremely lightweight and impact-resistant container also comes with a scoop for perfect measurement and serving. It is an excellent alternative to plastic, glass, and ceramic containers. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Mat complement your interior and keep your sink area clean and visually appealing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Almond cutter. The unique design of this kitchen tool prioritizes safety by keeping your hands away from the built-in blades. Enjoy expert slicing without the risk, making it the safest choice for your kitchen. Detachable parts allow for thorough washing. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Lunch jar. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a sophisticated mirror matte finish that offers both aesthetic appeal and lasting durability. Keeps food hot or cold for extended hours, preserving freshness and flavor for mealtime anytime, anywhere. Built-in divider ensures mess-free compartmentalization of different foods. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Garlic press. Ergonomically constructed with an arc shape and non-slip soft rubber handle that provides maximum comfortability, especially when exerting force while doing the back and forth rocking motion. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bathroom shelf. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Coffee grinder. Easy one-click operation ensures you can start grinding your coffee beans easily with just the press of a button. Start your coffee grinder and go spend the next 10 to 15 minutes doing your other morning chores, and by the time you are back, your fresh coffee grounds will be ready. No more tired arms and wasting your valuable morning time. Built-in adjustable grind selector helps you adjust your coffee grind settings from coarse to fine by quickly rotating the stainless steel ring at the bottom of the grind settings marker. With over 5 grind settings, this mini electric coffee grinder is perfect to use with your French press, mocha pots, pour-over drip coffee makers, AeroPress. Just like the pros do. This rechargeable coffee grinder is a perfect travel partner for any coffee lovers. It's never been easier. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Travel bottles. Includes 4 PCS 90 ml squeeze silicone travel bottles and 4 PCS 40 ml cream jars, providing a complete solution for organizing and carrying your essential liquids and creams. Perfectly designed to accommodate a variety of items, from shampoos and lotions to creams and gels, this travel accessories set ensures all your necessities are conveniently packed in one go. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Storage organizer. Its sleek design complements any bedroom decor. This multipurpose bedside table doubles as a shelf organizer, offering ample storage space for your daily essentials. The slim door shelf design fits perfectly in any kitchen setting. Product link is given in the 20th link.